Welcome. You've made it through the day, and that alone is enough. Maybe it was your boss, a tough client, a quiet conflict. Maybe the city took more than it gave. Whatever brought you here, this moment is yours. And your energy is coming back home. Close your eyes if you feel safe, or soften your gaze. Let your breath slow, like it's not in a rush anymore. Inhale through the nose. Exhale. Again, inhale slowly. Exhale even slower. Feel your feet on the ground, your body supported. Let gravity take what you don't need. You've been holding a lot, performing, smiling, solving, maybe even shrinking yourself a little so others could be comfortable. But right now, you don't have to carry that. You don't have to fix or prove anything. Breathe in, and on your exhale, imagine all of it: tension, stress, other people's energy flowing out of you like smoke rising into the sky. Now, imagine a gentle light just behind your heart, flickering quietly. That's you. Your core, your energy, your presence. Breathe into it. Let it grow. Let it expand through your chest, down your arms, up your spine. You are calling your energy back to you. Feel your own presence again. Not your job title, not who others needed you to be today. Just you. The you that exists in stillness. The you that doesn't owe anyone anything right now. You are reset, to unplug from what drains you, to come home to yourself without guilt. Each inhale refuels you. Each exhale softens the armor. Start to bring awareness back into the world around you. The trees, the wind, the sound of traffic in the distance. And feel the difference. Same world, but you are recharged. Wiggle your fingers, roll your shoulders, and when you are ready, gently open your eyes. You've made space for yourself today. You called your energy back. And from here, you can move forward lighter, freer, more you. If this meditation helped you reset, you can check out my channel for more. You can return to it anytime you need. I am grateful to share this space with you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being present.